In this video, I want to explore how different Qi Gong is to Tai Chi and actually the similarities I will talk about. So let's jump straight into the video. So Qi Gong is different from Tai Chi because it focuses more directly on internal energy and healing, while Tai Chi is a structured movement practice that is developed for martial arts basically. So Qi Gong is a healing art. Tai Chi is a martial art. Qi Gong often uses simple, repetitive movements combined with breathing and awareness to support balance within the body. This makes it easier to learn and more accessible, especially for beginners or those looking for gentle support. Tai Chi, on the other hand, involves longer sequences of flowing movements that require more coordination and memorization. Both practices support health and well-being, but Qi Gong is usually the more direct and flexible approach for relaxation, energy, and inner balance. So if you're trying to decide what's best for you, Qi Gong or Tai Chi, probably the best starting point is Qi Gong. Qi Gong, as I say, is a healing art. Tai Chi is more of a martial art. In the Korean style Qi Gong classes that I teach, you do get form with it. There is a form. There are forms that we do, like the Dangong basic form, and other forms like Earth Qi Gong. So there are forms with Qi Gong if you want to use a formulaic way of moving your body, but also there are important exercises for stretching out the meridian so the energy starts to flow properly, opening up the joints so your body starts to work properly, your body starts to flow with energy rather than all this stagnation that we have with inertia, with a very sedentary lifestyle that a lot of us are living now. When I took up Qi Gong, my stress and anxiety really did move away very quickly, but I love the practice because it has a little bit of Tai Chi blended into it. So if you think about it, the umbrella of Qi Gong, every Tai Chi move is a Qi Gong move, but not every Qi Gong move is a Tai Chi move. I hope that makes sense, because a lot of the Qi Gong moves are dealing directly with specific areas of the body, or for healing, or for deepening your breath, or focusing your mind more on your energy. Tai Chi is more of a martial art where you keep that same relaxed feeling in the body so it starts to move and work properly, but it's a little less deeper, I would say. So really that's your choice what you want to do with your practice. But that's really the difference between Qi Gong and Tai Chi. So let's look at, if you want to go a little bit deeper with me, if you're new to this and you're still trying to make your mind up, there's an article there called Qi Gong for Beginners. Or if you know about Qi Gong and you want to know about the deeper healing and the ancient practice with the modern benefits, there's the healing power of Qi Gong there. Or if you want to go even deeper with me, you can start live online Korean Qi Gong classes where I run them every Thursday evening and Sunday morning UK time, where you can get into a structured way of actually getting Qi Gong as part of your health and wellness routine. And it really is very powerful. You'll find many testimonials on the Bright Beings Academy website, and any Qi Gong article that I've written that you can go through to the testimonials and see what this practice has done for so many people, not only in the local area but internationally as well. This Bright Beings Academy does go all over the world, so you can practice this. I have people who are members in Canada, New Zealand, America, Europe, all over the place. They come to the live classes, so it is very accessible. But Qi Gong will help you if you really want to get into it. If that's your choice, great. If not, no worries. But that's how you get it. Just click the link around this video. You'll go through to this page and you can go a little bit deeper into this and understand it a little bit more before you make any choices. Anyway, there's another video coming up that's answering more questions on Qi Gong. Click on that link and you'll find out a little bit more about the practice. I look forward to connecting with you very soon. Till then, be well and keep shining.